guys, welcome back to another video. This is a little short one, just a little thing I got for the interior, just kind of bring it a little more pop, more red pop. So I'm swapping out this carbon fiber gauge cluster for Alcantara, Red Alcantara, a red with black stitching, same as my shift boot and my e-brake and my armrest. Yeah, it's kind of just bring the interior a little bit more black and red style, you know, since it's already comes black and red. It's just that's more of a darker red than all this. So I will be swapping that seat soon. I don't know when, hopefully soon. But yeah, unless anybody wants to donate the passenger seat for me, it's a red recaro, you know. But yeah, I kind of want to swap out the black ones to just plain black. I don't know, WRX maybe. And I don't know, I'll think about that later. But yeah, for now, let me just show you guys how that looks, and then we can pop that off and then put the new one on. Alright guys, well here it is, Red Alcantara black stitching. This is gonna replace the carbon fiber. See how this is gonna be pretty bright. It's gonna look really good. I think I'm really gonna enjoy this. Carbon fiber looks good in there, but you know, I kind of like the Alcantara more, red especially. So this is pretty good. Obviously the quality is amazing coming from these guys from Overland Designs. Yeah, so let's throw this on. Let me take off the other one, and then I'll show you guys how this looks in the car. Stuck on there. All right, there we go. Sheesh, that's a good piece though. I don't know if I'm gonna sell it, but it's OLM by Subi Speed, and it's really good, perfect condition still. I've had it on the car for, I don't know, I would say 3 years now, 4 years. Yeah, and it still looks amazing. Sadly, it's going away, but I'm gonna like the new Alcantara and looking at it. So let's get this put away, and let me put the new one on really quick. Guys, so I did remove the other one. It's only on there with double-sided tape. It's not a full replacement, it's just a cover. So yeah, let me get the new one put on. I do have to remove these 2 screws right here, and then I should be able to throw the new one on. It should pop right off. All right, let me just do that really quick. All right, hold on. Okay. All right, so there's out with the old cluster, and then in with the new. All right guys, well there it is. Simple install, short little video. Everything I put on the car, it's getting documented. So whether it's something small like this or something big like a turbo, it's definitely gonna be documented into YouTube. I'm not trying to really get big or anything, just kind of like just putting it there, you know, for anybody that's interested in any of these parts that I'm putting on the car. Overall, seat still feels good. I will give you a review hopefully soon, kind of just a little drive, just kind of talking about it. But love the seat, can't wait to get the passenger one. And yeah, simple install. I might sell that, I don't know, we'll see. And yeah, so that pretty much does it with all the Alcantara. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else. I kind of do want to do the door cards. Hopefully Overland Designs sells one of these pieces that can cover this, or maybe even replace it, I don't know, or someone local, you know. Kind of want to do that with black stitching, just kind of how it is right here, just for the front seats. The back seats I don't really care too much because I'm never back there, but the front definitely. But yeah, that pretty much does it for this video guys. Little short one, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace out.